अंडर इन्फॉर्मेशन से ओवर इन्फॉर्मेशन की एज में आ गए.
I think it's a very tough job to regulate that. I think too much of information. पहला होता था रिसर्च. रिसर्च में हम लोग बहुत वैल्यू रहता था. आई थिंक टुडे रिसर्च हैज नो वैल्यू बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच ऑफ information lying there. I think somewhere people have to take a call saying that what is the informed decisions, and informed decisions is very critical to build your portfolio. I think a lot of people just hear say build their portfolios. Some experts in the digital social media which are not licensed will start advising. We have gone through all the cycles, Vivek. I think sometimes it becomes very painful when you look at when the customers come back to us and tell me that I lost so much. I still have connects with my old investors, which now I am not advisor. Today I'm a manufacturer. But when I still come back and meet couple of advisors, I do meet a couple of private banks. Most of the time our conversation is this, that what is customers doing, and some point of time it's good. I'm not saying it's not bad because it pushes even advisors to be up the scale in terms of their advisory. I think all these things will happen, but I think your point is right. But today if you ask me is there any solution to solve that, my answer is no. Answer is extremely no. I think we need to think about how to build that. Regulation has become tighter. The social media is getting much more tougher for all these individual advisors. But we need to see how it shapes up.